Look, there he goes.
He's over there.
Oh, CJ left. He just left. And halfway. It's just CJ and Max left. I don't know where the last one is. Oh. Dylan.
Let him try.
I'll take the last one out. Oh, take him out. Oh no, he's a broken wing one.
I don't know if, we'll see if he can fly. If he can't fly, then we might keep him. Because if his wing's not broken, not right, then
we'll keep him?
We might keep that one, yeah.
He can't really fly that much.
Yeah, I think we should keep him.
Yeah, let's keep him. I'm gonna get him.
He won't survive out here.
I have him in my hand.
Okay.
Oh, there's two of them in here. He's let it go. He's flapping it. We're gonna keep the halfling guy. He can't fly.
Yeah. Probably a good idea.
That's what Mom said.
Hey, come on out, guy. You wanna fly, right?
Oh, there you go.
Bye! Who is that?
All the way up there.
Bye, Max! And the rest?
And wow, look how high it can go.
And there goes CJ.
Oh, he's flying to me?
He's saying bye, Dad.
He's right there.
He's right there. So fun watching them fly.